So many job seekers are they are struggling to find a right job and a right opportunity in soft industry nowadays. Especially real-time working professionals are getting a lot of struggles because of their notice period. So this is one of the major concern to shortlist or to get calls from IT industry nowadays. Because majority of the MNC companies having a 90 days notice period. But the companies are looking for the candidates who can able to join within 15 days or 30 days. This is the one of the mismatching profile to shortlist the profile or to schedule the interviews, especially for working professionals nowadays. Why companies are not preferring to schedule the interviews or to conduct the interviews for 90 days notice period? Once the candidate has started their notice period in 90 days, the candidate usually attend the interviews for many companies. If the candidate is selected for one company and he got 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs LPA and he don't stop with that company, he is trying to attend multiple companies and finally whenever he reached 15 lakhs or 18 lakhs or 20 lakhs package, then he will stop. Then in the meanwhile the notice period is also going to end. That's why HR people or recruitment team, they don't prefer to schedule the interviews for 90 days notice period because of the employees attending for multiple companies and don't know the candidate is ready to join this organization or not. And second main reason is candidates are demanding more salary. This is also one of the main reason. Along with this reason, the candidates also not interested to come office. He don't interested to do some work from office. He wants work from home job or a hybrid model job. And one more reason, in the initial screening only, many of the job seekers they are failing to give the proper answers. Whenever the HR or any recruitment team is asking some basic questions or screening questions, some employment details, whether the candidate is genuine or fake, so they will check by asking like PAN card or PF account or UAN number. In the initial screen, many of the job seekers they are failing to give proper answers. And one more reason is a skills gap. That means you have relevant experience on some old technologies, but companies are expecting some other advanced technologies. So their some job description or their expectation skills are mismatching. That's why you are not getting or you are not receiving calls, guys. And finally, you have to check your resume format as well. Candidates are still following the resume format which are used in 2000 year. So therefore, we have to focus on to build a strong resume as well. So along with these important points, if you want to add any additional points, so please comment in the comment section. Your valuable points definitely helpful our followers and all job seekers as well. Okay. So that's all, guys. Mine. Hopefully this content and information, latest information, definitely helpful for all job seekers. Okay. So if you really feel this information helpful for all job seekers, hit the like button and share to your social networking platform as well. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.